Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel UG Multech. In today's video, we are going to see the Boolean operation in Unigraphics NX. In this Unigraphics NX tutorial video, we will see all the three commands of Boolean operation, that will be unite, subtract and intersect. Friends, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so that you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorials. So friends, let's start our today's topic, that is Boolean operation in Unigraphics NX. In this tutorial video, we will see all the three commands of Boolean operation. First will be unite. So for using unite, we have to create one more solid body. I have taken one already. We are going to create one more solid body. So I am going to select this one. Okay, you can see one. It is plus 10 minus 10. Okay, I'm going to create one more solid body. Now you can see one more solid body is being created. One is this one and another is this one. Okay friends, so first one we are going to see in the Boolean operation in Unigraphics NX, it will be the unite command. In these two solid body are going to be united. Okay, so first I am going to select this one. This is the target. Okay, this is the tool. You can see these two. Okay, now you can see in the preview, this is a one body is being created. I am going to click OK. Now you can see friends, this is one single body. Okay, earlier it was two separate body. So hope you have understand the first Boolean operation command, that is unite. So I am going to delete this one. Okay, so that we can see the next Boolean operation command, which will be the subtract one. Okay, in this one I'm going to, this one is our target body, this one will be the tool. Okay, I'm not going to keep the tool. I'm going to see in the preview already that this body is being subtracted. Okay, select, I'm going to select OK. Now you can see this part is being subtracted. Okay friends, this is the second command of our Boolean operation, that is subtract. The next one, I'm going to delete this subtract one. Okay, now I am going to show you the next one, that is intersect. In intersect, the part which is been intersecting, it will remain only. Rest of the things will be deleted. Okay, so this one I am going to select, and this is the tool I am going to select. You can see I'm going to select OK. See friends, only this part is being intersecting, so it is being created. So friends, this I'm going to delete this one. I hope you have understand all the three parts. Okay, three commands of Boolean operation in Unigraphics NX. Okay friends, so friends, this is all about the Boolean operation in Unigraphics NX. Hope you, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, comments. There is lot more content coming up on your way. See you in the next one. Bye.